Are you wondering how to monetize your blog? How much you can earn from your blogs? How to earn money from blogging? Well, you're in the right place. For in this video, we'll provide you the answers to all your questions regarding money blogging. So, before we get started, please do hit that like button so this video reaches more people. And let's get started. First, let's talk about how much money can I make from blogging. How much money can I make from blogging? This is the first question that will come to your mind when you think of building your blogs as a brand. Well, there is no direct answer to this question because there are no fixed income unlike your full-time job. If your blogs are helpful and attract enough for readers, you can earn a huge amount of money that you'll never thought of. Mainly, it depends on some factors like which niche you are picking, how much time you are giving to implement strategies, whether you're implementing the right strategy or not, which tools are you using to drive traffic on your blogs, and so on. If you have good SEO skills and the right tool in hand, you can grab success quickly in the field of blogging. So now, let us know more about some effective ways to make money from blogging. Number 1. Promote products via affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a passive method of earning income where you just need to promote other people's products on your blog. This is quite common nowadays. When a visitor comes to your website and buys that product by tapping on the link on your blog, then you will earn a commission amount for that sales. When you promote a product, you will be given a tracking link, which is known as UTM code. It will place a cookie inside and will track the purchase history of that user. This is the fastest way to make money from blogging because you will get a commission from the start itself, depending on the sales. And next, run ads through your sites. This is the basic way to make money from blogging, where you need to run ads on your website. There are various types of ads that you can place, but make sure that it is not interrupting the surfing process of the visitors. One of the most popular programs is Google AdSense. You have to get your website approved at Google AdSense to run ads. The more page views you have, the better lucrative display ads you can sign up for. Next, sell digital products. Another way to make money from blogging is to sell digital products through your blogs. Digital products are intangible that are sold in digital form. The digital product can be ebooks, digital tools, online courses, web-based apps, and many more. The benefit is that you don't need to do any inventory management, which is required while selling products in a traditional business. You can sell digital products anytime. Once it gets ready, you just bring them to the market with the help of your website. But it is not as easy as it seems because you are not going to be free after selling the products. You may need to provide the best customer service to the buyers. Next, start guest posting. If you have an establishment that is getting significant traffic, then you can earn a good amount by allowing guest posting. This is an amazing way to monetize your blog. You will also get some free content from other business websites. Guest posting is a post that is written by other websites for you so that they can access or redirect your audience to their blog also. The main aim of guest posting is building backlinks. Backlinks are an effective way to increase your ranks on Google. And lastly, post coaching and consulting blogs. Another way to make money is to post coaching or consulting blogs. Sometimes people want more detailed information than just a book, and they prefer to go with coaching or consulting. Many blog owners are using this strategy to sell their courses and books to start a revenue program. It is always recommended that consulting can be an effective strategy from the start, and you need to target the right traffic. With consulting, it is not about just traffic. It is about quality traffic in which users are ready to pay you. So, you just need to write coaching or consulting blogs accordingly so that you can get some conversion. So these were some of the best ways to make money from blogging. Now you can decide which ways are convenient for you to implement. And that is it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. And if it did, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
Did you know that you can run live, on-demand scheduled webinar replays with hands-free automation and the breakthrough sales getting features with no hosting required, and has dozens of ready templates and engagement and sales booster? Introducing Webinar Loop 2 by Technic4. Webinar Loop makes creating high-converting profitable webinars a piece of cake. It has never seen before engagement and sales boosting technology, where you have full-screen lifelike experience, call to actions with clickable buttons, info boxes for engaging tidbits, and live polls on webinars. You have surveys on webinars too, and infographics and ads on webinars. So, what are you waiting for? Try Webinar Loop now. Just go to getwebinarloop.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.